Hello everyone in Cyberworld, welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer, aka Mrs. Poorman.
And I'm Richard, also known as Mr. Poorman. Today we're bringing our video from Oneula Park. As we mentioned, today is a very special project. We're doing a collaboration with some friends of ours. We are actually going to be making a product from our side using Hawaii woods, shipping it to him, and he's going to be combining it with some woods from his area. We're going to be using wood from a tree similar to this, referred to as monkey pod. So let's introduce our special guest today. Take it away.
Thanks for having us, Richard and Jennifer. I'm Grant Alexander.
And I'm Abby. And in this video, we team up with Mr. and Mrs. Poorman
to make some awesome coaster sets. Hope you enjoy.
If you enjoy our video, please like, comment, or subscribe.
And with that, we ran into a little problem around this project. We had gone through the entire steps and we had built the project. Unfortunately, our SD card had failed and we lost everything. Obviously, we still have the project itself, and we'll go ahead and continue filming from that point. But instead of just giving up from that point and not doing a video on this, we're going to go ahead and remake everything. I have a little bit of wood left, so I'm going to go ahead and use this. Unfortunately, it has a few flaws that I'm unable to correct at this time, but the idea on this video that we're going to do now is just to show you what we did to get to the final project because we lost everything. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. And now, cue music.
We opted to use the miter saw for this project. We cut the wood at a 45-degree angle to show more of the monkey pod surface. Next, we measured and marked where to make the cuts.
I set the depth on the miter saw and started cutting away. Next, I cut a matching 45-degree angle for the back of the holder.
And now comes the sanding. Plus brushing of the live edge.
I attached some sandpaper to a stir stick using some spray-on glue and sanded out the slots.
Then we added polyacrylic to bring out the grain.
Although it's a little unusual, we decided to add a lazy Susan bearing on the bottom of the holder in order to be able to spin the holder around and enjoy viewing all the coasters that Grant and Abby made. Hey, Grant! Grant! Over here. It's done. Take care.
Ooh, that's cool.
Oh, wait. 1 second. Don't forget the wood.
Thank you.
Here is the part of the coaster set that we made, and here is the complete set.
To see how these incredible coasters were made, visit Grant's channel using the link above.
We hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed making it.
We'd especially like to thank Abby and Grant for collaborating with us on this project. We had a blast doing this.
Stay tuned for our video next week. Until then,
Bye-bye.